An uncle and a nephew came over from Ireland in 1841 and settled here on the 5th line of Mulmer, and we've been farming here ever since. I'm 9th generation. We have a Black Angus herd, some Limousin crossbred Charolais, a little bit of everything, but the bulk is Black Angus. Family owns 450, but we farm with the pastures and everything somewhere between 1,500 and 2,000 acres. A lot of it's very rough land, but so the cattle work on it. Well, local and natural to me would be the fact that it's almost like a closed operation here. We have all our own cattle, we grow all our own crops and feed them to the cattle. 80% of the feed, 75%, all their life is just the hays, the grass, timothy, alfalfa, red clover, brome grass, orchard grass. And then we grow some barley here,